Welcome to everyone. Today I am going to teach a concept on why should we learn differentiation. Normally we know that it helps us to find the area navigating majorly in the field of architecture, even in doing the researches, right? Yes, if we are in the field of architecture, then it is fine, we use the differentiation. Then what about the real life uses? So I am going to tell the real life uses today by using the differentiation. Let us consider one example. If you want take one pen business, you are going to start one pen business, then your intention is to increases the profit, right? At what time it will reaches the great amount of profit. Therefore, first consider the profit. What is mean by profit first? What it indicates? It indicates that selling price minus cost price. Correct? The next is what is mean by a cost price? Cost price is having the two kinds. One is the fixed cost, another one is the variable cost. Therefore, fixed cost and variable I am taking as the labor cost. In a fixed cost, it may involving the electrical bill or else the rent charges. It may include both. And these fixed cost and labor cost going to increases month by month, right? Everything is depending upon the rent. And next is we have to calculate the cost price first. After finding the cost price, we have to put it in the profit equation. Therefore, before going to find the cost price, first figure out the profit. The quantity to manufacture where profit is increases. Let us say this is as the X. And now find out the cost price. Cost price, a fixed cost is X square plus labor cost, which is depending. Per each pen, if I consider a 5, then for X number of pen it becomes 5X, right? This is the cost price. Now put it this cost price in terms of a profit. Therefore, profit which is equal to selling price. This is also a given quantity. If you take each pen 10 rupees, then for a X pen it becomes 10X minus cost price is X square plus 5X. Now remove the brackets. 10X minus X square minus 5X. Then solve this equation. 10X minus 5X becomes 5X minus X square. This is what? This is the profit. Now we have to find out the X value. To find the X value, we need to differentiate with respect to X, because our object is X. With respect to X, with profit, then if I differentiate 5X with respect to X, it becomes 5 minus 2X. We need to increases the profit, hence I am equating this equation which is equal to 0, 5 which is equal to 2X, then X is 5 by 2. We are getting in terms of point, that is 2.5. We are getting the value of X as 2.5. Now we have to check whether at this value our profit going to be increases or what value. Therefore, I choose the lesser amount of X value and greater amount of less value. Put these two values in this main equation. If we get the less amount than this value is the, that is what X is, which is equal to 2.5 is the increasing increasing profit. This is how we use the differentiation in real life.